Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can change background in Higgsfield AI. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very simple. First of what you need to do is just go to your web browser and Higgsfield AI, and you need to go to video, and then you need to go to Kling 01 edit, and you need to press on that. And right over here in the edit video section, you need to upload a video to edit first, the video that you want to change the background. So you just gotta select a video that you're gonna do something like this, and you just need to select the section. Once you do that, the video will be uploaded right over here, and if it's not, you just gotta find the specific type of video which is under their criteria. Now right over here you gotta fill in the prompt. You just gotta put in replace the video's background with image one, this image. So like this, you just gotta then press on generate. You can also choose a resolution, and then the model should be Kling 01 video edit. Once you do that, just simply press on generate and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.